Hey y'all. Okay, so we're going to talk about measurement. And in kindergarten, with our measurement standards, it's more about, can they describe the object? Can they talk about the object? It's not measuring to the inch. It's not measuring a cup or a half a cup. It's just using that vocabulary of measurement. More, less, taller, shorter. And when we do it in the classroom, we use our pencils and our crayons to measure things, but you can use their toys at home. You can take their Barbies, or you can take their cars and lay their Barbies out and don't line them up, and just ask them, can you tell me which one is taller, shorter? How can we know? And then you would stand them up side by side and then have them describe the Barbies to you. This one is shorter than this one, and then add in another one. You know, which one is the tallest, which one is the shortest, which one is in the middle, and measure like that. You can also take their Barbies or their cars, or whenever they're eating snack or lunch, and you can use their paper towel or their napkin, and they can measure that way. You can line up and say, is this Barbie longer or shorter than the paper towel? Is this Barbie longer or shorter than the paper towel? This one is shorter and this one is equal. You can use their chips that they're eating with. You know, how many chips could you line up together to make the length of this paper towel or napkin, whatever they're eating with. It also talks about volume a little bit, and just making sure they can describe it. Not, you know, that this is a cup and this is a cup and a half and things like that. You can fill in with water, you know, or you can say while you're eating dinner, do I have more water than you do? You know, who has less, who has more, things like that. Just making sure you're using those words in their everyday conversation is very helpful. You can also talk about weight, the weight of things. Put two different items in their hand and ask them which one weighs more, which one weighs less. And have them guess things. You know, say, does the couch weigh more or less than your shoe? And just talk about different things like that in your house. And that's all we do in kindergarten. How we do measurement. Basically just describing it and talking about it. And like I said earlier, it does not have to be for mastery. Just do a little bit at a time, a little bit every day, and they'll get it and they'll understand it.